We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT without restrictions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section. You'll want to ensure you're using the latest version. So check for any updates or new releases that might be available. Now, to maximize the functionality of ChatGPT, you need to tailor the settings to fit your needs. Look for the settings icon, usually represented as a gear or wrench, and click on it. In the settings, you'll find options to adjust the model's behavior, set the creativity level higher if you want more diverse responses, or keep it moderate for more focused replies. You might also see an option for temperature. Higher values lead to more varied outputs, while lower values make the responses more determinature. Make sure to save any changes you make to bypass any content filters. You can use API access if you're familiar with coding, as this allows for more customization. Remember, while this can give you broader access, it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. If you encounter any restrictions, sometimes refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache helps resolve temporary issues. Also, consider reaching out to OpenAI support or forums if you face persistent problems. They often have the latest recommendations and can offer specific guidance. Finally, to ensure a seamless experience, keep your browser and any extensions updated, as outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.